going. And here's Cassie riding this little tiny bike. Go around the store like I did. Come on, you can go faster. You're so slow. I'm not even walking. Actually, it's pish posh. Ooh, a Hannah Montana bike. Dude, how do you get this off? What am I doing? Hold on. Your first turn off. Oh dear God. There she is. I'm sorry. I'm coming. Oh, look at my baby riding the bike. You're so cute. Did you say F you? Come here, come here. You're grounded.
Oh my God, it's such a really cool bike.
Hello, little boy. What's your name?
Logan.
Oh, that's cool. See you later, Logan. I just videotaped that kid. And she's off. Tell us, how was it?
It was interesting.
Good. Good. Why are we running? Oh, it wasn't though.
Huh?
It wasn't American.
It was.
Oh. Alright, well, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Till next time. Till next video.